Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you turn white hair to black, jet black permanently. If you guys using hair dyes, you know how it's very frustrating because the hair turns back to white. Now I have for you a permanent solution with very natural ingredients. You can apply it on your hair overnight and it nourishes the hair naturally and it gets back the melanin production, so you will turn your white hair to black permanent. So the first ingredient is 1 onion, and we need to chop the onion like so, my friends. Once we chop the onions, we need to place it into a food processor to grind it to a very fine paste. And now we need to strain it to get the fresh onion juice and place it into a strainer underneath the mixing bowl like so to get the fresh onion juice. Once we get the fresh onion juice, we need 1 egg, and we need to crack the egg to get the egg whites. So separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. We need to use here the egg whites, which is high in protein and rare minerals, and this will nourish your hair and will get it to turn black permanently. Then my friends, will need to add to this 2 teaspoons of baby oil, and here I'm using Johnson baby oil. And then we'll need to add to this 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Now we need to mix all the ingredients very well. Once all the ingredients got combined and got very well mixed, apply it with an aid of cotton ball. So dip in the cotton ball like so, and make sure to apply it into your hair roots because this is what will turn the hair to black permanently. Keep massaging your scalp with this and leave it overnight, my friends. This is very important to leave the remedy overnight. This will nourish the hair and will turn the hair to black again. Keep using that remedy on a regular basis. Will turn the hair to black permanently. You cannot store that remedy. Every time you need to prepare it fresh because this will get you to the best results. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to never miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies, and I'll see you in my next video.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.